Naming words. Sangya. Nouns. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? All the objects in this picture have names. We identify the object by its name. For example, football, rope, dustbin, bat are all names of objects. Nehru Park is the name of a place. Ashish, Kamini, Sumedha are the names of children. Open your school bag and look inside it. Everything inside the school bag has names. Pencil, book, eraser, etc. Look around you. All your friends have names. We call our friends by their names. Look into the garden. Everything in the garden has names. Tree, fruit, flower, branch, all are names. Where do you stay? In a house. Yes, the house is the name of the place where you stay. In which city do you live? Yes, every city also has a name. All these names are called Sangya in Hindi. Something else comes under Sangya too, that is, qualities or emotions. Park ki safai, sundarta, bachchon ki khushi are all emotions. At last I will say, the names of people, animals, birds, objects, places, emotions and qualities are all called Sangya in Hindi.
किसी प्राणी, जगह, वस्तु के नाम या मन के भाव को संज्ञा कहते हैं।